pace of technological advancement is getting faster with our innovation. The quality of beautiful life keeps progressing. Because of our innovation, all mankind can make infinite possibilities of technology come true. Our corporate culture of taking challenges drives us to progress continuously. The robust R&D team is the core for our constant corporate growth. Since the first set of ball screws produced in 1986, TBI Motion has led professional manufacturers with independent R&D capacity and powerful producing potential, which have made us a solution provider. We take the initiative in understanding customers' demand by giving new value to products. We intend to provide customers with the most comprehensive and satisfying solutions. TBI Motion continues to focus on technology upgrade and service quality. TBI Motion pursues innovation and changes. With R&D's 30 years of professional experience, we are making constant progress, opening up a new era for transmission components. This is the beginning of speed. TBI Motion is devoted to design and manufacturing to fully meet customers' demand through reducing production time. TBI Motion controls independent core technology and continues to upgrade and shine on the stage of transmission components. This is the platform for quality fulfillment. TBI Motion always looks out for you and persists in surpassing your quality requirements. We provide a full series of transmission components to meet customers' needs. With its innovation power, TBI Motion can make further progress. TBI Motion develops its own brand and realizes our professional value. We integrate academic theories and industry practice by holding smart automation and creativity hands-on competitions, as well as industry-academic cooperation to cultivate local talent. Through our dedication, we make Taiwan industry more competitive for the future Industry 4.0. Our modern open plant is integrated with green energy and environmental friendly design to fulfill corporate social responsibilities through direct actions. Our clients are distributed worldwide. TBI Motion has become one of the largest manufacturers for transmission components in Taiwan. TBI Motion keeps in step with the world by constantly surpassing itself, continuing to challenge an ever broader future.